In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on Swissquote. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their trading website, you want to go to where it says Our Top Picks, and then you want to click on Advanced Filter, and you want to go inside Commodities. Now, in here, you'll be able to find XAU, USD, and some of the others as well, which basically is gold, okay? So you could go ahead and just click on any of these XAU over here. I'm going to go with the XAU USD, which is gold US dollar over here, and you can then just click on here, and it's going to pop up on your chart like this. You can do some analysis over here, whatever, and then when you are ready to actually go ahead and buy it, you can click on this blue button over here with its price. It's going to pop up this new order window over here, where make sure it says XAU USD at the top, and then here you can select the quantity. So over here, for example, let's just do 1 for now, and then here you can also see, you can click on the buy button or the sell button, and you can also set take profits, stop losses, trailing stops, whatever you want to do. And when you are ready, just click on this place buy order over here, and it's going to go through, and you've successfully bought gold on Swissquote over here, and you can see your order down here at the bottom. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.